Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 8. It's chapter 10, combination and permutation. Okay, this question is pretty straightforward, very easy. You see, okay, so yes. Okay, yes. So part 1. You see, a group of 5 people consists of 2 women. These are the 2 women, Alice and Betty, and the 3 men, Carl, David, and Ed. Okay, and the 3 of these 5 people are chosen at random to be a chairperson, a treasurer, and a secretary. Okay, so I have to choose 3 people out of these 5. One is a chairperson, one is the treasurer, one is for the secretary, right? Okay, now the chairperson and treasurer must be men. Okay, both should be men. Okay, so out of 3 men, I had to put 2 of them over here. So how many possibilities I have for them? Okay, so this is, and of course, if I choose Carl and David, for example, so Carl as chairperson and David as treasurer is one option, and David as chairperson and Carl as treasurer as a second option. So the order is also important. So in this particular case, for the men, I will do 3p2. So this will give me the number of ways I can have the 2 men over here. Okay. Now for the third position, what are the options now? 2 men has been taken. So now I have 2 women and 1 man. 3. Right. So out of these 3, I have to choose one. So this is going to be 3 combination 1. Okay, so this would be 6 times 3. So this is 18. Okay, easy, clear? Okay, now part 2. David must sit in the middle. Okay, now these 5 people sit in a row of 5 chairs. So now you can see that the order is also important now. Find the number of different possible seating arrangements if David must sit in the middle. Okay, now I have 5 chairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And David must sit in the middle. Right? Okay. So now out of 4 people, 2 women and 2 men, I have to put them together over here. Right? So of course, for the first one, I have choice of 4. For the second one, I have choice for the 3. For the third one, I have choice for 2. And for the last one, I have choice for 1. So this is basically 4 factorial. Right? I hope you know this thing, that in this particular type of case, I have to do the factorial. So it is 24. Okay. And the last part 3, this is a bit challenging. Alice and Cal must sit together. Okay. So out of 5 positions, 5 chairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So since Alice and Carl they want to sit together, so let's remove these 2 people from this group. Alice and Carl, we remove them. Now I have 1, 2, and 3, 2 men and 1 woman, right? So 3 people has to be arranged in the rest of the 3 chairs. So that will be 3 factorial, number 1, right? Okay. Now how many ways Carl and Alice sit together? Either they will take these 2 places, or these 2 places, or these two, or these two. So one option, second option, third option, and fourth option. There are 4 different ways they can sit together, right? Okay. Now, in each of these cases, Alice could be here and Carl could be here, or Carl could be here, Alice could be here. So these are 2 different arrangements. So this will give us 2 more options, right? So this is going to be 3 factorial times 4 times 2, and this all comes out to be 48. Okay, So this was pretty simple question. I hope you understand everything. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.